Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as promised, I'm going to share with you how to get an IRD number online, this is one of the most important things that you will be having before you get the chance to hunt a work in New Zealand, because this is one of the details that the employer is usually looking for. And for you to create an IRD number, you should be in their website, of course. And the website is www.ird.gov.nz. Okay, what will happen in this video is that I am going to walk you through on how I created my IRD number online. So let's go. Here, as you can see in the screen, is the website wherein you will create or register your IRD number online. You just go to their website, as I'm showing online. You go to ird.gov.nz and you scroll down and you will see the word register. So this is what you're going to click for you to go on the next page. And then, so this is where you will be directed once you click the register. And then you just scroll around and then look for apply for an IRD number. That if you hold a work or student a visa, you have to prepare the following: your passport, since there will be some information that will be taken from your passport, and also your immigration New Zealand application number, wherein you can see it in your e-visa. And then last one, your tax identification number from your home country. You just need the numbers, by the way, and the details. Once you're done with that, you have to click next. And then just put your surname, birthday, passport number, and passport country. So all of those information should be in your passport. And then put the immigration New Zealand application number, wherein you can see that in your visa. And then once you're done, you go to the next one and then click no, since you don't have yet IRD before. And this is where you're gonna need your mobile number. Since I had my immigration advisor before, that was her email address, but we'll be changing it to my personal email address. Once you're done, you will be asked to enroll what is your IR username. So I chose my first and last name, but it really depends on you. That address was information of my immigration advisor before. Just have to put in my residential address since I'm already in New Zealand. So you can verify your address on there already. Once you're done, you click next. And then you will be asked what's your reason for applying for IRD number. Of course, employment in New Zealand. I don't have it in my bank account at that time. That's fine. And this is the time where you're gonna put in your tax identification number, in your home of origin or country of origin. And then once you're done, I already input my tax identification number. Click next. And from there, you will review all of the information that you already filled up. Check those tick boxes that you see. Next, confirm your email address. And then once you're done, ta-da! You're done applying for your IRD number. So that's basically it. I hope you learned something out of this video. And thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye!